Hiya, hello. Welcome. Lavish V here, and a big thank you to each and every one of my subscribers. You are awesome. For those of you who are new to my channel, what I do here, it is hair, makeup, beauty, fashion, vlogging, and a lot of perfume reviews. Yes. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead, hit the notification bell and the subscription button. Please watch my videos, leave me some thumbs up, and don't forget to comment in the comment section. And thank you so much to all of you who have been commenting and giving me some thumbs up. I truly appreciate you guys. So yes, thank you for stopping by. As you know, on my channel, I like bringing you stuff that I find useful and I'm enjoying, and it is great, and I believe it will be beneficiary to you. So I always bring them here. So yes, today I've got a product review for you that it is a gadget I've been using in my house, and it is so fantastic. I said, I have to bring it on my channel to share with you guys. So yes, the product I'm talking about, it is the Challenge 10-liter dehumidifier. Now, I didn't bring the dehumidifier to the bedroom, but I have got footage of it that will follow after I explain a little bit of how I found the product. So yes, this Challenge dehumidifier, oh my days, it is saving me so much aggravation and time and energy and stress, because I've had so much issue in my home with condensation, and that leads sometimes to damp and to mold. And oh my days, I am a bit of a clean freak weirdo, if I should say so. But what I love the place to be on a certain level, and oh my days, whenever the winter months clock in, the condensation drives me crazy. I have a extractor run through the property, but it doesn't suck. It doesn't do much. It don't dry out the property well enough. So my curtains will get spoiled. My shoes in the cupboard that I don't really use, but they are brand new, and I don't want them to get damaged, and that has been happening. So anyway, I searched up online, and I found that a dehumidifier could suck water out of the air, and when I was reading it, it was like, oh really? Anyway, I finally took the plunge and went and purchased one, and it is the Challenge 10-liter dehumidifier. Oh my days, this thing, at first when I got it, I didn't even remember to video the unboxing and this and that. I just went straight in, plug it in, and pray, fingers crossed, that this thing worked. And I'm telling you, even I've got my money's worth out of it already, because it has taken away the stress, the frustration, dry out the living room. It is so good, y'all. This thing, when I see the amount of water fill up in the capacity drawer, I was like, wow, it's like magic. I could not believe there is so much humidity in the air and actual water filling up in this thing. So I have footage for you of what happened overnight with it, and what happened within 6 hours of plugging it on a day when it's really cold. I find that when it gets so cold and I put the heating on, that's where the humidity just a lot. And so this is suitable for colder months, and for damp properties, or properties that got wet by whatever reason. It sucks out the water from the air. So I find this product 10 out of 10. I would highly recommend it to anyone who is having condensation, damp, mold issue, stuff like that. It will actually save you so much stress, so much time cleaning, drying down, and stuff like that. It is a awesome product. On my channel, I love the word awesome, and it is so awesome. Like, disclaimer, I'm not being paid for this review, and I have no affiliation with anybody about this product. It is and was purchased with my own money, and I am enjoying it. And I thought my subscribers, anyone who views my channel, should know that this challenge dehumidifier, it is so great, and I can't praise it anymore because it is really doing great work. The rest of this video you'll see is when it's plugged in and how it works and whatnot. Thank you for tuning in and watching this review. Please leave me some thumbs up and do comment if you've got it and how it's working for you. And if you do purchase it because you've watched this review, also let me know what do you think about this particular product. So thank you very much. Take care. So guys, this is a pretty much re-unboxing for you. So yes, I've opened this already, but I just wanted you to see what it came like, because when it came I was too excited and really wanted to use it. I forgot about the cameras, so I just pretty much want to show you what it came like. So when you open it up, you pretty much get it like this, and then once you get that off, you have the dehumidifier inside there. It comes with a handle, and you pick it up and out. Then it comes pretty much with this wrapper on it. You get rid of that, and you have the dehumidifier right here with the count. I don't know what that is for. I didn't really read the manual, then the power and so on. And then it comes with the drawer like that, and you open it up and you have that. So yep, and that's the sides, and then that's the back of it, and the extension wire standard, and the other side of it. So I'm gonna plug it in, and so this fan bit, I think it absorbs the water through here, and then it stores in here, and you can see it once it's filled. That's see-through. And I'm gonna show you what it is like to have it on overnight. So I've decided to keep mine at the doorway, right beside the sofa. And when, let's put the power on. So that is the amount of condensation in here, 77% I believe, and it automatically alters as it gets dried. The numbers go lower or higher depending on how wet the room is, how many water is in the air, So yes, that's pretty much it for this. So I'll chitty chatty with you a bit more in depth about this dehumidifier. So guys, let's see what it looks like after some hours. Let's see how much water is in this thing. It switches off automatically once you... Oh, so it's... Wait, let's get it out some more. And that is the amount of condensation that's trapped in it. And that's in the day, y'all. See? That is it. So it hasn't gotten up to the marking line where you can see it through the clip. Oh yeah, you can. So if I shake it, you can see the amount of water there. So that's it, guys. And once you have, like I've said, open the drawer, it goes off. And let's put the drawer back in. And voila, start to work automatically. So that's it. So guys, it's morning now, so let's see what we have with this dehumidifier. It says P2 on the top and it's red there. So let's open it up and see what is inside. So as I've shown you before, this is where we open up. So wow. So once I'm pulling out the drawers, look at that. Look at that. Oh my days. Wow. It is filled with water. Look at that, guys. It will wet up my floor. So I'm gonna have to put the cameras down. And I'm gonna have to empty it. Look at the size of the drawer. And it is filled up. See? You can see the water line there. That is full, y'all. Just overnight. Just overnight, guys, and that amount of water. Look, it's filled. So let me put the cameras down, empty it, and put it back. It's not working now because it's filled. So I think that P2 means it stops itself from working. So let's empty it and come back and put the empty drawer and see what happens. So guys, I've emptied it now, and this is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna close it up and let's see what happens up here. So right away it starts to work again. So it's empty now. So that's what happens with it. So I think that 76 is automatic. It changes according to how many condensation is in the air. So you see it change to 75. So yep, that's it right there. So I highly think this is a awesome gadget to have.